Hi guys, I am back. So I thought I was done with physical damage coverage, but I think deductibles deserve an honorable mention. I know that a lot of us have been choosing insurance policies for ourselves as we hop around to the different insurance carriers trying to catch the best rate, and we know that we have to choose a comprehensive and collision deductible if we have a vehicle that may be paid off but still has a considerable amount of value in it, or if we have a loan or a lease and we have to carry comprehensive and collision coverage. But what I'm finding is that when we're choosing these coverages, the average person is not really thinking about the level of deductible that they are choosing. Essentially, what you're saying to the insurance company is, I am self-insuring for the amount of deductible I'm choosing. What does that mean? It means that the insurance company is not going to pay $1. They're going to start paying after your damage amount hits above the deductible you've chosen. So let's say you get into a fender bender. The damages to your vehicle are $3,500. You've chosen a deductible of $1,000. The insurance company will start paying at the $1,001 all the way up. But when your vehicle is ready to be picked up after the repairs have been made, that is the time that you are going to hand over your $1,000 deductible in the form of cash or a check to the body shop that you have chosen to do the repairs. Why is this important? It's important because when you're choosing your collision or comprehensive deductible, you need to be thinking to yourself, at any point in time that something happens to me, because guess what? Accidents are unexpected. Nobody plans to get into an accident unless they're committing fraud. At any point, if something happens to me while I'm out there on the road and I get into a crash, and for whatever reason, even if it's not my fault, I have to meet my collision deductible, am I going to be able to put my hands quickly on $1,000, on $500, on $250? You are self-insuring. So you're signaling to the insurance company, at any point that something happens to my vehicle and I ask you, ABC Insurance, to step in for me, I'm going to be able to make good on my part. I'm going to be able to pay the body shop my $250, my $1,000, my $500 deductible. If my vehicle is stolen, it's just not recovered. It's a comprehensive claim. I've got $1,000 deductible for comprehensive. I'm ready to make good to my lien holder, right? Because you're not going to pay the insurance company for your $1,000 deductible. But if you have a loan or if you have a lease on that vehicle, you're going to be able to pay to these companies the $1,000 that you said you would self-insure for. ABC Insurance is going to pay the rest. I think I mentioned this in a prior video, and I do want to just touch on it just a little bit again before I end the message. Sometimes automobile accidents happen and you're not at fault for the accident, but the person that you're involved in the accident with, you don't really know what the status of their insurance is. Sometimes there's a problem with payment. Maybe their policy has lapsed. Sometimes there's a problem with coverage. Maybe they're operating in their vehicle doing something that's not necessarily covered, and it sparks a coverage investigation with the other insurance carrier. And while the other insurance carrier may actually agree that you are not at fault for the accident and they would like to handle your damages, there's a holdup over there and they're not able to jump on it as quickly as you would like them to. So because you cover yourself for situations such as this, comprehensive, collision, and you need your insurance company to act for you in a way that allows you to move about your life, your vehicle's damaged, it's not drivable, or it's just not safe. Maybe it cranks up and it goes, but it's not safe for you to be on the road with. You can turn to your own insurance company to ask them to move forward with the damages for you. But that may require for you to be responsible for your collision deductible. So again, something to think about. You're not at fault for an accident, but you really need for somebody to just get moving on your damages so you can get about your life. You want to make sure that the deductible you have chosen is going to allow for you to move with that. What happens is your insurance company will send what we call a subrogation demand to the at-fault insurance carrier. It's basically, hey, we pay damages on behalf of our insured to allow them to move about their life and get their vehicle repaired. And now we need you to pay us back our money, and we need you to pay our insured back their deductible. The process for that is lengthy and it is not guaranteed. It's not guaranteed because it's not guaranteed that this other insurance carrier even has coverage for the loss. It is lengthy because it could take some time for them to complete their coverage investigation if there is one, and then for them to review the documents your insurance company sent to them to approve the payment, and then for those checks to be sent to your insurance company and for you to receive your check. So just something to think about. In the next video, we are going to talk a little bit about rental because I feel that there's some confusion there as well. What level rental coverage do you need? Thank you for watching. If you have any comments, drop them below. If you have any questions, drop them below. I always try to make sure I get to everyone. Thank you for watching.